I am back and I am doing the last Pantone color of the year for now. This will be number 8, including the collab with the Pantone color of 2025. Please go back and look at all of this. Where do you do all your thinking? Where do you do all your thinking? As I do this simple eye look, we will talk about that. I'm using an old OG palette. I'm using a very old OG palette. And I will show you the palette in the end. It's a simple eye look. But where do you do your best thinking? I have noticed anytime I enter the shower, loads of information just downloads into my head. Ideas, thoughts, I mean, you name it. And this morning, it was like, pray for yourself first, and then pray for others. Pray for you first so you have the strength, the wisdom to pray for somebody else. Because if you can't pray for yourself, how are you going to be able to pray for others? You have to have the wisdom from God and pray for others. But let me know in the comments where you do most of your thinking or where you get the best ideas. Where are you when the best ideas come to mind? My own is in the bathroom, in the shower. In the shower, I will be downloaded. It's like I step in the shower and things just start downloading into my mind. And I'm like, wow. Some I don't remember by the time I walk out the shower, but some of them I memorize it over and over and over so I can remember, so I can write it down when I get out. I have tried to leave a paper or recorder and stuff like that, but it doesn't work the same for me. So the one that is needed, the one that needs the most attention is the one that stays with me. That's how I look at it. And I just flow with that. I pull a card today, and the card said discernment. You are developing the skills to distinguish love from fear and truth from illusion. Discernment. You are developing the skill to distinguish love from fear and truth from illusion. Today's I am came from the comments and it says, I am loved. I am loved. I am loved. I pray you are loved. You don't have to wait for someone to love you. Learn to love yourself. When you love yourself, you will understand what true love is. Loving someone else and not loving yourself is not true love. I am loved. Today's I am. Always remember you are first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Remember that everything in life has a purpose. Do not give up on yourself. If you are suffering with any ailment, addictions, or mental illness, please seek help because help is available to you. please seek help. If you like or if you love what you see on my channel, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so when I do put another video out, YouTube will send it to you. And I appreciate you watching my video always. This is a one color eyeshadow shimmer chocolate mousse Pantone 2025 color. This is number 8 look because I wanted to continue doing the Pantone color in January. And now January is almost over. We'll be moving into something else. I'm going to do my base with you today, so keep watching. I am starting with a CoverGirl True Blend Skin Enhancer, and it's the Velvet Skin Enhancer, and it is the Velvet Blue Primer. Next, I go in with the Juvia's Place Booster. It gives you a little shine. Because I'm using a soft matte foundation, so I'm putting a little shine. I put it everywhere. I have oily skin, but when I do this, this works really good for me. Don't put a lot and you'll be good. I just brush it all on the skin. Now you see the shine? I'm glowing to the moon. I'm using NARS Soft Matte Foundation. The name is Marco. I think it's Marco. Same brush. I'm going to put a little bit of concealer. I'm using the Black Radiance. While the concealer sits under my eye, I'm going to take a damp sponge and go over the foundation. I just use the brush to spread it, but then I need to go in with it so I can get it to where I want it to be. My forehead is always oily, especially after I grease my scalp. And that's why sometimes the foundation looks thicker up there. And once I sweat, it looks very light. Menopause caused me to sweat. So, if you do have menopause, just do your thing. Have fun with your palettes. Do your makeup. And keep it moving. Don't stop living because of that. Foundation. Coming closer so you can see after I did it with a sponge. I have oily skin, so my pores are really large right here. Now I'm going to take the same sponge and I'm just going to go under my eye and damp and mix and spread the concealer. I have to find 10,000 words before I can find the right words, okay? So hang in there. The right words sometimes don't come out the first time. But keep talking in your videos if you want to talk and do your thing. See, I have an accent and I'm not letting this stop me. When I was younger, yeah, I used to be afraid to talk sometimes because I'm like, I have an accent and everybody else don't have one. And as I get older, I notice everybody have an accent. I was like, girl, please. Yeah. But this is the base. I gave myself a little glue today with the Juvia's booster, radiance booster. So it's not that much, because when I set it, it will take away some of it, but I'll still have a little inner glow. So this is this. Let me finish this up, and I'll be back with a complete look. So we can see what our number 8 Pantone chocolate mousse makeup eye look looks like. Okay, hang in there. I'm coming back. Zoom. My lip combo is Juvia's Place Liquid Lipstick Maroon with a brown liner. And this has brought me to the number 8 Pantone 2025 Mocha Mousse Color of the Year eye look. This is a single color shimmer eyeshadow look, and this is what it looks like. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it. I hope you pull your palette out and you created even this one color eyeshadow look. And the OG palette, I don't think it's available anywhere, but I could be wrong. It is the Queen of Hearts by Colored Rave. This is the outside packaging. And this is the inside. I mean, how gorgeous is this palette? This palette is beautiful. This palette is gorgeous. This is showing up as a white, but this is really a brown, a light beige. And this is a white. But with the light reflecting on it, they look white. But it's a beige. The one shade I use in here is this one right here. And that color right here is called Dethrone. Dethrone. Queen of Hearts. If you have this palette out, I know you know it is a really nice palette. Gorgeous. I want to take this time to say thank you very much for watching my videos. I appreciate you very much. If you like or you love my content, please subscribe. I will see you in the next video. It's going to be something different. We're done with the Pantone for now. So keep watching. And while you wait, please watch some playlists. And YouTube is going to put a couple videos here or there. Please watch them. They do help my channel. Bye.